everyone. I am Mitanshi Khabe along with my team. She is Anvi, Lalteshwari, Priyanshu Barod, Tavish Vyas. We are here to present our presentation. After this video, we will start our presentation.
दोस्तों, आज से 5 साल पहले किसी ने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा होगा कि ग्रोसरी जैसी चीज 10 मिनट में भी डिलीवर की जा सकती है, लेकिन इसे पॉसिबल कर दिखाया Zepto नाम की एक कंपनी ने, जिसकी वैल्यूएशन इस समय 6,895 करोड़ रुपए से भी ज्यादा है। जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना। असल में इस कंपनी की शुरुआत अप्रैल 2021 में दो दोस्त कैवल्या वोहरा और आदित्य पलीचा ने मिलकर किया था, जो आज सिर्फ 2 सालों में ही यूनिकॉर्न बनने के बेहद करीब पहुँच गई है। साथ ही ये दोनों हुरून इंडिया फ्यूचर यूनिकॉर्न इंडेक्स 2022 के अकॉर्डिंग 1000 करोड़ क्लब में एंटर करने वाले यंगेस्ट इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स भी बन गए हैं। लेकिन क्या आपको पता है कि इन्हें Zepto शुरू करने का आइडिया कहां से आया, इनका बिजनेस मॉडल क्या है और कैसे इन्होंने 10 मिनट में ग्रोसरी डिलीवर को पॉसिबल करके दिखाया? तो
Of Zepto. Zepto is an Indian quick commerce startup that promises grocery delivery within 10 minutes. It aims to address the growing demand for fast, reliable and convenient grocery delivery. Zepto, the rapid grocery delivery startup, has achieved a significant milestone by reaching a valuation of over $5 billion. Aditya Palecha, co-founder CEO of Zepto, started insights into the company rapid rise and its impact on the startup ecosystem at the NDTV World Summit 2024, the India's country. Professor Tavish.
Identify the market gap. Core problem: people increasingly needed fast delivery for essential, especially during COVID-19. Lockdown when going to store was challenging. Unique needs. Unlike traditional delivery service that call take hours, Zepto says the potential in ultra-fast delivery to meet urban consumer demand for speed and convenience. Process to Anvi.
Beginning of the journey. Aditya Palecha and कैवल्या वोहरा, both are 19 years old childhood players, founded Zepto after working out Stanford University renewed computer science development to return to their home country India, start a business. The Zepto company beginning its operation in April 21.
Initial challenges: building a robust supply chain and infrastructures to enable deliveries within 10 minutes was a significant hurdle. They also faced skepticism about the feasibility of such a fast delivery model. Solution provides Zepto operates dark storage, small warehouse strangely located in densely populated areas to enable rapid delivery. Product overview: it offers a wide range of groceries, fresh produce and household. Installed through its app, customers can place orders and get them delivered almost instantly. Process to Priyanshu.
Scaling the startup growth factor: Zepto raised substantial venture capital, which helped them expand rapidly across multiple Indian cities. Their model attracted funding due to its innovation in quick commerce. Zepto has seen impressive growth, serving 10 major cities with 1,000 plus employees. They deliver more than 5,000 products, revolutionizing the Indian grocery segment with 10-minute delivery, advanced tech, and optimized centers. Engineering, operation, marketing, and financial position are also available at Zepto. Palecha claims that month-over-month growth is 200% with a monthly retention rate of 78%. Unicorn status: although Zepto is not a unicorn yet, as of the latest reports, it is rapidly growing and investors see potential for it to reach a $1 billion valuation.
Inclination toward teach in innovation evident from their peer entrepreneurial project. Inspiration: their story is inspiration as young founder took a bold step in addressing a need that emerged during a global crisis, showing a reliance and the adaptability. Next, process to Tavish.
Important facts of Zepto. What is Zepto?
Zepto is an online shopping platform that allow you to order your daily essential from the comfort of your home.
How does Zepto work?
You select the times you need on the Zepto app and their team delivers your order to your doorstep within 10-15 minutes.
What are the benefits of Zepto?
Quick delivery. Zepto delivers your order within 10 to 15 minutes. Easy to use app. Zepto app is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Wide range of products. Zepto offers a wide range of products including groceries, fresh products and more.
What do you need to do to use Zepto? Place your order, select the items you need on the Zepto app. Provide your address, enter your address where you want to receive your order. Make payment. Pay for your order using a payment method of your choice.
What makes Zepto special?
Zepto uses technology to make delivery system fast and efficient.
Where Zepto is available?
Zepto is available in many cities in India like Mumbai, Bengaluru and Delhi.
Thank you.